Hello, welcome to Vicky's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making Sooji Ladoo, also known as a Rava Ladoo. Okay, for making a Rava Ladoo, we need a Sooji or Semolina, sugar, ghee or clarified butter, cashew, pistachio, green cardamom, raisins, coconut powder, and warm milk. Alrighty, we're gonna turn on the stove for medium. Okay, we're using a little bit of ghee in here. So we're gonna add our cashew. Make sure your heat is not super high, otherwise it'll burn. You don't want that. I cut the cashew in 2 pieces, so we're gonna make them golden, kind of not brownish, but like lovely brown color. We'll see in a minute. So make sure your heat is not super high because otherwise it'll burn and you don't like that. I think you can see this brownish color, kind of pinkish color. And at this point, we're gonna take them out. We don't want to be overcooked, so we're good. We don't want them to be like dark. Now you can smell it even. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Okay, now in the same oil, we're gonna kind of cook a little bit all the raisins. So we're gonna put it in the same bowl. These are the golden raisins. You can choose other one if you like those, but I like these. We're adding pistachio. You can add any nut if you like it. I like these. In the same ghee, we're gonna add our coconut powder. We're not doing the whole thing, but we will keep some for roll our ladoos in there. The same way we're gonna cook until like pinkish or lightish brown. When you cook these, make sure your heat is like not super high or medium, like to it on low heat, so that will give it like nice color and it'll prevent burning. You're gonna keep stir, otherwise it'll be burn. Now we got the really nice color. On this one, it's not like totally brown, but you can smell it. Okay, we're going to take out. In the same bowl, we put everything in. So okay, it looks like this, so you don't have to separately put it in the different bowls. Now we're gonna add a little more ghee in there because we're gonna cook the semolina, Sooji or Rava. Some people call Rava and here. Okay, we're gonna add our Sooji. Same thing we're gonna do with Sooji. We're gonna cook on the low, not like high. We did not use so much ghee in there, like around 2 tablespoons I think I used. including this, not like too much ghee. You can choose oil if you like it, but when you cook in a ghee or clarified butter, it tastes like entire different. You need to keep stir because you don't want them to be burned, otherwise it's just not as pleasant results you will get with that. You will see the change in the color too. Okay, seems like our semolina is fully cooked. You don't want like really dark color, but see the color is different now. It's not white anymore. Kind of nice golden color now. We can turn off the stove. We can leave it for a minute to let it cool down a little bit. So otherwise, if I put the sugar in there, they're gonna be melt. I'll be back. Okay, so our Sooji is a bit cooler. Now we're gonna add all the ingredient in there. Our coconut powder, our raisins, cashews, and pistachios. Okay, so we're gonna mix it, and same time we're adding a sugar. You can use sugar according to your own taste. You don't have to have a this amount, or you can do lower or higher according to your own taste. And we're adding our green cardamom. Now we're gonna add our milk little by little. It's a warm milk. We can add a little more. I'm gonna check in if you can make a laddu. No, you can't. You need more. I think our laddu is kind of doing great. We can add a little more if we want to, and I think we're good. We don't need to, because Sooji or semolina take milk, because it's gonna absorb the milk, and once it is, then it's gonna be like dry a little bit. Okay, I think we're good. So now we're gonna mix it really well. We don't think we need more milk. We're good. So now here is our coconut powder. So now we're gonna make a small balls, whatever the size you like it. Because my ladoos has a lot of nuts. You can use less or more. It's just so pretty. Oh gosh. Oh. Then here, like small lemon size, I think they're cute, and you can just roll in the coconut. If you don't want to, you can skip that. You don't have to, but even without that, it looks great. So we're gonna leave it here. Right. All right, and then same way you're gonna make all the ladoos. Just like if you want to skip the coconut part, that's totally except you, because without that it is so pretty. Even you don't wrapping those ladoos in the coconut, because see here, look at that, you can see the pistachios and raisins and the cashews. It looks very nice. It doesn't matter you do that or not, but I'm gonna do it because I like it. Okay, so it just add the extra. Then here you go. I'm gonna leave some like without coconut, but it's totally up to you, to show you that how they like without even the coconut. Okay. You can add any nuts you like. You can make it smaller or bigger. It's all your own creation, whatever you like. You can add almond in there if you want to, or you can add other stuff. There is another way. You can just leave it in the plate and do coconut coating at the end. You can do that too, but I feel like it's easier when it's like soft. It's easy to coat it. They're very nice and soft, and you can smell. It's just so amazing. Alrighty. That's a little mess. Okay, so let me wash my hands. You can play around, it's just so beautiful. For garnish, you can add a little bit of what it called, pistachio on top if you want to. See here, it's just like pretty. You don't have to, but it's just beautiful. I crush them really fine, so it's like a powder, but alrighty. So these are done, and let's do the final touch. Okay, here is our super delicious Sooji ladoo or Rava Ladoo ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Also click on the bell icon to get a notification for my upcoming video. I will see you with the new video. Until then, take care of yourself.